Oh yeah, that's what I've been waiting on. Yep, LMR package. Yep, that is what I've been looking for. All right, so of course, you know, this is gonna be some new content. Let's see what we got. The thing is, I know what I'm getting. All right. Here we got the bezel repair. Because mine are broken. And I kind of got it super glued on there. It's a little raggedy, but it's working so far. But this is to repair the cluster bezel. And this thing is all bent up. What is that supposed to be? I guess it's all right. But that's for the coil up under the hood, right there on the left side. And last but not least, I got a new switch. Yeah, because the one I got's for an LX. And this is for the GT with the fog lights. So, yeah, we're excited about that. All right. Once again, we got the headlight switch with the fog lights. We got the ignition or starter coil cover. And we got the instrument cluster bezel repair kit. I saw, the only reason I know they have this one is because I saw Brutal do it. And I said, well, he got it done on his and mine is broken, so guess what I need to do? I need to fix mine. So that's what we got. It's the little gear for the speedometer. I've had one before, but it was the wrong one. So hopefully this one corrects my speedo gauge, because right now I'm reading about 10 over, and hopefully this corrects it.
What's up, everybody? I think I left off while I was telling everybody about the new parts and stuff that I was getting. I was gonna come out here and start working on it, at least put the switch in for the main headlights and the fog lights. But then I cut them on and checked, and guess what I got? I've got a doggone fog light out. Now, I gotta figure out what's going on with that. So, I'll get back with y'all in just a second. Well, I think I found the problem. Yeah, had some wires to come loose. Yeah, evidently they must have pulled out. I hit a bump or didn't secure them good enough the first time. So we're gonna get these wires secured probably a little bit better than, I'm gonna get these wires secured a little bit better than what they are right now. Cause we're gonna make this switch work, and we're gonna try to make it work right. We're gonna try to take the switch out now so we can get that thing changed over. Cause I'm gonna have to do that to make sure that the lines are connected up right. So first, take your screwdriver, and there's two little tabs right there and right there that you gotta push in on to get it to come out. and we'll see if we can push these out and see if we can get this thing to pop out. All right, we got it out. These are the two tabs I was talking about. These two right here, you have to push those in and it pops right out, but not very easily, but it does pop out. All right, now we just got to connect this and this to the new one. Well, there you go. Got them plugged in. The fog light switch is on the bottom and the main headlight switch is at the top. Sorry I couldn't show you exactly how to plug those in, but it's very simple, plug and play. So now I do just push it back in. There, simple as that. And as you can see, headlights are working. Now we just got to get the fog lights hooked up correctly, and then we'll be in business and get that one fog light working again. But I did find out what was going on with that. As you saw, it was the wires disconnected, so that's not going to be a big problem. Yeah. And in the process of trying to fix this thing, I noticed I got a doggone crack in my fog light. These things are not even a year old. Got a crack in it already? Well, that crack's gonna have to stay in there for a little while because we're not getting a new one right now. I just want to show you that. Good gracious. Well, I think that's a success. Got the wires hooked up, that fog light working, and everything's working like it should. Oh yeah, I'm happy about that, because I thought I was gonna have some more problems other than just the light. So on to the next thing. Well, even if you could even see me, the next thing we're gonna change is the little speedo gear, and it's located right there. The only thing you need to take it out is a Phillips head screwdriver, and I'll show you how it looks in just a second. All right, I got the screw out. Now just gotta pop it out of there. Yeah, take that out. That's what holds it in. Well, actually, that's what I got in there now. The one I was gonna change it to. So if anybody needs a red speedo gear, let me know. Well, that's how you take that out and put it back in. As you can see, the one that I was going to take out is the same one that I bought. So I'm going to have to figure out what kind of gear is on the inside of the transmission to be able to put the right one in. But as for right now, I'm riding with the Garmin, being 10 miles over. Well, the next thing we're going to tackle is the coil cover. I got this from LMR and it's to cover up those unsightly wires, especially mine, because I got a bunch of ugly wires sitting here. And eventually one day I'm gonna tackle these wires and getting them things straightened out. But here's what they look like. Yeah, I know it's a mess. I know it's a mess. You ain't gotta tell me. But right now we're gonna put this coil cover over there. There we go. Temporary fix to a problem. As I said before, maybe later on we'll get into maybe trying to reorganize these wires, try to make them look a little bit more presentable. And another thing, I've got overspray paint wires on my motor. It's not looking quite as bad, I guess, because I'm getting used to looking at it. But does anybody know of something I could use to help try to get this overspray off without damaging any wires? Let me know down in the comments below if there's anything else I could use to maybe wipe this stuff off with to not damage any wires or do anything to any of my electronics or anything like that. Yeah, just hit me up. Let me know if there's something I can get. 'Cause I've tried a few things and none of them seem to be working. All right, I'm going to wrap this video on up. Appreciate y'all checking me out. If you haven't already subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notifications bell so you can get the fresh content when it comes out. We'll see you in the next video.